Friends, Running Kimono here. Okay, so today's video we're going to talk about doing a curbside pickup. You either do this through your desktop computer or cell phone where you order the stuff and then drive to the store and pick it up. So for the first deal, it's got to be done that way. And then other deals you loosely can possibly do it in store, especially with the Rimmel Cosmetics. So hopefully that is crystal clear, clear as mud. But these are some pretty solid little deals if you like makeup and goodies. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about, curbside, is just a hodgepodge of items. So we're going to be grabbing one of these Rimmel Cosmetics. So it's 40% off this week, so $2.57. And that should be the same price in store. And can you see that $2 digital below? 57 cents for some eyeliner. I mean, hello, that's what it's all about, isn't it? The second Rimmel cosmetic item that we're going to be grabbing is one of these little lip glosses for $2.39, and we have a $1 digital coupon, dropping that down to $1.39. And these are the two digital coupons that you need to load. And I think Rimmel is a very good line. I think it's like 2 steps above Wet n Wild in my humble opinion. The next item we're going to grab is one of the Walgreens super pads for $2.99. Do you see that $2.50 digital coupon? Do you see that? So load this guy right away. And it's a manufacturer. It's not IVC. $2.50 off of one. I also had a $2.50 off of two, so just be careful what you're loading. The next item we're going to grab is some of this Ben Gay for $5.99. Now this is interesting. We have a $2 manufacturer and then an IVC as well. And hang on to your receipt, because if there's an IBOTTA rebate for this in the next week, you can still qualify even though you're buying it like today on the 19th. These are the digital coupons that you need loaded, which is the 2 off of 1, and then the 2 off of 1. Sorry, I said one was $1 off, but no, they're both $2 off of 1. That's what happens when you have really bad coffee. You start lying in the morning. Okay, guys, so I am signed into my account. So if you're not signed in, you can't use that promotion code, which is weird, but make sure that you're signed in. It's FAST10 to give you an extra 10% off. And then I have all of my digital coupons coming off right there. Look at them. That's a huge chorus line. Okay, so here's our subtotal of $13.94. We have promotions and IVCs. We have free because we're doing this as a pickup. There's my gorgeous tax and $7.50 of manufacturers. The new subtotal is $4.51. Use $4 in Walgreens cash if you have it. Pay 51 cents and laugh all the way to the bank and back. Just a good little basket of goodness. And let's not forget to hang on to your receipt in case there's a rebate for Ben Gay or maybe even Rimmel. You'll have that for the next week. With IBOTTA especially, you have a week post to submit your receipts if these rebates pop up pour vous. Okay, so deal number 2, we're going to augment deal number 1 basket. And we're just going to throw in one of these puffs for $7.49. Now, this is weird. Last week, it was up to $7.99, and then it was like $8 and some change in store. Like, they seem to have musical chairs with this specific product. I don't know why. And we have a $2 digital to accompany that. Now, so here is our little friend. Just make sure you have it loaded for this little dealio. Now, to get the mathematics to really balance, we're going to add 2 of these eyeliners. You'll see what I'm saying here in a second. But 2 of them. So as you can see, the digital coupons, we have the $2 for the puff, the $1 for the Rimmel, and then the $2 for the Rimmel eye. So there it is. And then looking at the math for this, the subtotal for the basket was $15.02. We're doing a curbside pickup, so it's free, 90 cents of tax, our coupons that we just showed you. The new subtotal is $10.92. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash if you might have it, and then pay 92 cents. I think it's a super smart deal if you like Rimmel and a little bit of puffs. If you like puffs, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, not a bad little basket. Now for the final basket, we're going to look at puffs again because I know how many of you really enjoy this. I got tagged in so many photos on Instagram. We're going to grab 2 of these bad boys, $7.49 a pop. In store, they're like $8.99. We're going to make sure that we have this best friend loaded, which is a 4 off of 2. You have until the end of the month to buy this, but if you love puffs, you know the value right here. So we use the code FAST10 again. Why I didn't use it in the last one, because it would have dipped it down to like $9 and I think 78 cents. So you would have had to pay for out of pocket. So it's just a way that you can use your Walgreens cash to the optimum without paying $4. So I'd rather pay a little bit more and use Walgreens cash to cover it than to pay like $4 and some change. Anyhow, back to this. Code FAST10, you're getting $5.10 off. So looking at the basket again, from $14.98 with all that savings, we're doing a curbside pickup. My tax there, it's $10.71. I would throw in $10 in Walgreens cash, pay 71 cents, and laugh all the way to the bank and back. What a great deal for Puffs. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.